In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Miro board creatively. Whether you're collaborating with your team or working solo on a project, introducing visuals can significantly enhance your board's appeal and functionality. Incorporating images into your Miro board is both a straightforward process and a versatile tool to express your ideas visually. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to miro.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button prominently displayed on the home page. You have options here. You can either sign in using your email or your Google account. If you're using your email, simply enter your credentials and then click on Continue with Email to proceed. If you're using Google, select your account and follow the prompts. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing all of your Miro boards. Click on the board you want to work on. Selecting the appropriate board will open it up, allowing you to start making your creative additions. The next step is to find the upload button, which is usually located on the toolbar. Click on it to open the file options. You'll see different methods for uploading images. To begin, click on My Device, which will prompt your computer's file explorer to open, letting you choose an image saved locally on your device. Navigate through your files, select the image you want to upload, and then click OK or Open to proceed. After selecting your image, click the Upload button within the Miro interface. Your image will begin uploading to the board. This might take a moment depending on the file size and your internet connection. Alternatively, if you have the URL of an image you wish to use, click on Upload via URL. Enter the URL in the dialog box that appears and click OK. This method is particularly useful if you are sourcing images from online repositories or websites. For a more drag and drop approach, you can also simply drag an image from your desktop or file explorer and drop it directly onto the board. This method is often the quickest and is great for rapidly adding multiple images. Once your image is on the board, take a moment to adjust its placement and size. Given Miro's flexibility, you can easily add text, draw annotations, or use stickers alongside your image for enhanced creativity. Remember, the goal is to make your board visually engaging and informative, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creatively adding images to your Miro board. With these simple steps, you can transform a simple board into a vibrant visual workspace. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.